These alarm sounds apply to the AICO. If the red LED is flashing 1, 2 or 4 times every 2 seconds, there's a continual audible sound. This means dangerous levels of CO detected. Please follow emergency procedures. If the red LED is flashing 2, 4 or 8 times every 40 seconds, the alarm is silent. This means the detector has alarmed previously in the last 24 hours. Please check appliances. Reset the alarm by pressing down the test and hush button for 20 seconds. If the amber LED is flashing 3 times every 40 seconds, the sound emitted is 3 beeps every 40 seconds. This means end of life. Please replace the alarm. If the amber LED is flashing twice every 40 seconds, the sound emitted is 2 beeps every 40 seconds. This means sensor fault. Please replace the alarm. If the amber LED is flashing twice every 40 seconds, the sound emitted is 1 beep every 40 seconds. This means low battery. Please replace the alarm. If the green LED is on, the alarm is silent. This means normal operating mode. No action required. Please regularly test your alarms and advise friends and family to do the same. Thank you.